Delete beam break at intersection. Note, when using beam editing functions, beam lines must be placed on either the beam or beam SE layer. Delete beam. This command is used to erase double-line beams in the floor plan. Click the Delete Beam function. Select beam lines to erase. Double-line beam erasure completed. Change beam width. This command is used to modify the width of already drawn beam lines. Click the Change Beam Width function. Enter the original width of the beam. Enter the new width of the beam. Select the beam lines to change width. Beam line width change completed. Beam line offset. This command is used to align the beam line with the edge of the column or offset it to one side. Click the Beam Line Offset function. Select a beam to be eccentric. Specify offset distance or select the alignment point. Beam line offset completed. Intersection processing. This command is used to clean up the intersections between beams, walls and columns. Click the Intersection Processing function. Specify the first corner point and the second corner point off the beam intersection line processing area. Beam intersection processing completed. Join beam lines. This command is used to connect two broken beam lines. Click the Join Beam Lines function. Select the first beam to connect. Select the second beam to connect. Beam line connection completed. Break at intersection. This command allows intersecting lines to be broken at their intersection point as needed. Click the Break at Intersection function. Select the entity to be broken. Specify the point to break on the entity. Intersection break completed. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.